Ciiko ciatharikira cia HITI mwena wa Juja kaunti-ini ya KIAMBU ikoretwo ciongererekete muingi ukiagagio ni HITI ici guku naruo ruhonge rwa uthaitiri wa nyamu cia githaka rwa KWARE magietha njira cia gucokia HITI ici runyanjara-ini rwa nyamu rwa Oldonyo Sabu. Hindi ya mucemanio wa anyiti itemi thukuru-ini wa University wa GICIGO mwena wa witeithie matongoretio ni Vice Chancellor Professor Njenga Munene NIMATHUNDURITE kamiti ya mwanya iria igutigirira marima mothe kwari-ini iria itiganĩirio NIMATHIGANITE na MAIRIGIRWO kuona guku nikuo HITI ici ikoretwo ikihitha.
KWS need to take full responsibility of containing wild animals within areas where they are supposed to be in the sanctuaries. If they can't, people will be forced to take up law into their hands and kill these animals, which is not a very pleasant thing to happen.
Putting up a stakeholders task force to see that now that menace doesn't now happen, or because we appreciate this thing, we're moving from protected or where they are protected to our areas due to human wildlife conflict.
Professor Njenga ugite ta thukuru ni makoretwo na wagagu wa HITI ici kuona ingi aruto maikaraga itũra-ini ria witeithie kuria HITI ici ikoretwo ikiurura.
The hyena menace in this area is of interest to everyone. We have many students who study in Mangu and they stay in Witeithie area, which is also invested with the hyenas. So the hyenas are of interest to all of us, especially for us as people running institutions of higher learning. Our students sometimes study late.
Riu moritie ruhonge rwa uthaitiri wa nyamu cia githaka KWS wika mituki kweheria HITI ici mwena uyu na matigirire ni mairiga wega runyanjara rwa Oldonyo Sabu kuria HITI ici ikoretwo ikiuma.
To the places where these animals used to live. So once they are settled, then there must be a way of confining them within enclosures. So my view is that that suggestion makes a lot of sense in terms of cutting off direct contact between the animals and the human beings.
Munini wa County Commissioner mwena wa Juja Wilson Mwangi niranĩire ati thirikari iri mang'o-ini ya kweria nyamu ici mwena uyu na gutira muingi ni wagitirwo kuma na tharikira ici.
That we work among others to see that the quarries, especially the abandoned quarries, which have been acting as a hostage or safe areas for these animals, are actually crossed and fenced off, so that once they have been truncated, because the process of truncating them to their abode is ongoing, these things don't now come back and hide in these areas.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, gĩtagwo-inĩ wa KIARIA.